All right, so we have this one last topic to talk about before before exam one, and it is the fifth biogeochemical cycle that we're going to talk about, and it's the sulfur cycle. Now, in the sulfur cycle, sulfur is primarily in sediments and in life. In life, sulfur is present in proteins. So there are certain amino acids that contain proteins, so it's present in life, and you have to have it. Now, so it is primarily, but not exclusively, in sediments. What happens is we don't have many of them, thank God, around here, but you don't have many volcanoes around here. But when you have a volcano, you may have seen on the Discover Channel, or you may have been to Yellowstone. Yellow. Sulfur is yellow. You may have been to Yellowstone and gone to one of those geysers. Now, one of the things they don't ever tell you about those geysers is they stink. Why do they stink? They smell like rotten eggs. It's because of sulfur. So sulfur has a bad smell, and it's like a rotten egg smell. Now, when it's coming out of the ground, so when this gas is released from the ground, it contains sulfur oxides. Another way that sulfur is released into the atmosphere is through volcanoes. Again, in areas of active volcanoes, you see all this bright yellow sulfur. But some of it is going up into the atmosphere as sulfur oxides. Now, so sulfur is present in the atmosphere through these kinds of geologic processes, but it's mostly in the sediment. Now, there is one other way that we put sulfur into the atmosphere. That is through burning coal. Coal tends to have a lot of sulfur in it, and it puts the same kind of sulfur oxides into the atmosphere. Why do we care? Well, I'm glad you asked. Why do we care? Well, it also combines with water, just like nitrogen oxides, to form, in this case, sulfuric acid. So acid rain is a problem from the sulfur cycle, primarily due to human activity. There are not that many volcanoes happening. So it's mostly from human activity, burning fossil fuels, coal in particular. And acid rain is also a problem from nitrogen pollution, again, from human activities. And that's why we sometimes will talk about acid rain. And it inhibits plants, it's a problem. The photosynthesis, we need those plants. So anyway, but with sulfur, it's primarily found in the sediments, and we have microorganisms that are going to play a role in moving the sulfur into a form that we can use it. So we have sulfur that is cycling from the sediments into life and back into the sediments, and then some of it, primarily through human activity, is making its way into the atmosphere. Now, sulfur oxides. So you might say the one silver lining to sulfur oxides is that they reflect sunlight energy. But we don't have that many of them out there. So while we're increasing the carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, we're at least offsetting a small portion of that by this other pollution, the sulfur oxides, because they actually cool the planet a little bit. So the sulfur cycle, it has a small plus to it, which does help limit, reduce the increase that we're seeing in the global warming. Okay, and yeah, I was just looking to see if we can see anything. Nothing else I really want to say about that. All right, so here we are. This is the final video that you have to watch. Well, make sure, yeah, the final one you have to watch related to exam 1. And you know when exam 1 is? Next Tuesday. So hopefully we don't have any more snow. You never can tell. But next Tuesday, I would be sure you're ready. First thing we'll do in lab is take our little test. Then we'll do a little lab activity. Enjoy your time off, and I'll be seeing you, I'm sure, next Tuesday. All right, kiddos, have a good one. Bye for now.